Do you know that eating fruits and vegetables can help boost your skin health? Fruits and vegetables are vital for a glowing skin. Due to their rich nutrient content, they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which helps to improve your skin health. Regular intake of vitamin C-rich fruits boosts collagen production and promotes healthy skin. So guys, in today's video, I'll be listing out the best fruits and vegetables to eat for a glowing skin. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. For you to have a glowing skin, carrot is the #1 vegetable to eat because it is a good source of vitamins and minerals, which comes in many colors including orange, purple, yellow, red, and white. Carrots contain vitamin C, which helps the body make collagen, a protein that supports skin structure. Also, carrots contain beta-carotene, which can help brighten your skin and improve skin tone. Carrot is a good source of antioxidants that can help slow down skin aging by improving elasticity and reduce wrinkles. How to use carrots for skin? 1. Eating carrots helps to boost your skin health. 2. Drinking carrot juice can help hydrate your skin from within. 3. Use carrot oil can help reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Another fruit or vegetable to eat is cucumber. Cucumber contain 96% of water, which helps to hydrate dry skin. They are also good base for DIY treatment. Cucumbers helps to reduce dark eye circles, puffiness, and constrict blood vessels. Cucumber are rich in vitamin C, which can help brighten the skin, reduce the sign of anti-aging. Cucumber contains silica, which can promote growth of collagen and draw out dirt and oil. Cucumber can help to reduce swelling and puffiness. Another fruit to take is watermelon. Watermelon contains 90% of water, which helps to hydrate your skin. It contains vitamin A, B, and C, which helps to keep your skin plumpy and fresh, boosts collagen production, and even skin tone. Eating watermelon also helps in skin health. It helps to tone your skin, fight hyperpigmentation, and leave your skin plumpy and fresh. Watermelon contains vitamin A, which helps to repair skin cells, prevents dryness and flaky skin. Watermelon contains vitamin B6, which helps with skin breakouts, also helps to reduce the appearance of pimples. It also helps for anti-aging, reducing wrinkles, and make your skin look younger. Another amazing fruit to eat is apple. Apple revitalizes dull skin. The natural acid in apple effectively rejuvenates and brightens dull skin. This acid in apple helps to gently exfoliate your skin, remove dead skin cells, and uncover the fresh, bright layers underneath. This helps to tone your skin. Apple possesses properties that assist to balance your skin tone, including vitamins and acid works together to gently brighten and even out your skin tone. The essence of eating apple helps to glow your skin, helps to make you look fresh and younger. So guys, these are the 4 best fruits to eat if you want to get a glowing skin. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button for you to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. I love you.